Yeah, I'm gonna land someplace and shut it.
All above it. Can I help you hold it in, or?
Gotta pull it shut.
I'm pulling it shut.
There you go.
Okay. Got it. Hey, yeah, you watch the road, or watch the sky. Watch the sky.
The best place for you to point that camera is out the door.
All right. Don't drop it.
Don't stick it outside the door. Just point it out the door. And just go by your little screen there. And as a matter of fact, you can set it on your lap and just rotate your screen.
Yeah, we need to videotape the old Route 66 coming.
Yeah, over
from
by
the city limits.
There's a high school there's over there.
Yeah, it starts right at the high school over there.
Where, over here?
Yes. Right by that water tower.
So what are they charging nowadays for aviation fuel?
$7 a gallon.
Oh my goodness.
That's crazy.
Welcome to California.
I'm sure California will be higher.
The sheriff's department needs.
Yeah, it doesn't take very good pictures through the window because you get the distortion of the glass.
It's helicopter what the sheriff's department needs, you know?
Yeah.
Around, you can cover in one of these, you know?
Most of the guys just set it on their lap and point it out the door and tell me where to go.
Yeah.
Listen, hey, where's Dollar Store? Eat your heart out, manager.
Now, this is where Route 66 starts. Right here, we need to go down to Route 66.
That's where it starts?
Yes, right. There'll be a sign down there. Well, it's getting awful green out there.
Yeah, it is. Great time of year.
No, Frank, back there, Route 66 through town.
Where? You want to go that way?
Yeah. We're out of the city limits now.
Look at the screen.
Yeah, that way you don't have to worry about dropping it.
And then just tell me where to go.
Yeah.
No?
And there's campers down there.
Yeah.
They're blowing or running with something. They're hiding
I
something.
bet they're cooking meth down there.
Yeah, it starts right here at the water tower, Frank.
This is Route 66 here, my friend.
So, Frank, you been staying busy?
Yeah, I've been busy this last week. I flew for 3 days.
Doing good then.
Well, not in this helicopter. I flew the little one.
Got 22 too, Frank?
22, yeah.
I'm over there by the dollar store, Frank.
Where's that at?
Right on Route 66.
Yeah, they right by the water tower. They kicked us out of the dollar store a minute ago.
Why?
They didn't want to film on their property.
She told me that if she catches me filming anywhere in town, she's calling the police.
Yeah, man.
Or what? Why?
They got, I don't know. They're all on power trip.
I don't get it.
Yeah, I don't either. None of us get it, Frank.
What are they not wanting you to film?
Well, yeah, that's a good question. What are they not wanting?
I'm lost now. Where the heck are we at here?
Well, your place is across the way here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Out there.
No, you're filming straight down.
Oh, is that my place with all that junk?
It sure is, Larry.
Oh my gosh. Frank, I'm about to clean up my place.
You have a lot of supplies.
You can see the tracks where they've been riding the Honda.
So I don't understand. Why didn't they want you filming over there?
You know what? You just don't like me, I think, man. Because we're getting littered in the whole city thing, you know? They stole that land.
Yeah.
a newbie. Just don't push him out of the helicopter.
Okay, I won't push him out.
Yeah, because if I die, I'll never speak to you again.
My wife would love it.
The city goes all the way up Highway 44 here up to that next exit, which
I know this is going to be a good shot, but
Okay, do what you need.
Fire going on over there.
If you move that camera real fast, it'll make you sick when you look at the pictures.
salvage yard down there.
Yep.
well, I guess we got all of Bourbon then, because Bourbon wasn't that big.
I wonder what's on fire over there. You think it's
Oh, that's probably the conservation.
burned something off?
Oh, that's down in Leesburg.
Yeah.
That's how they get rid of their trash. They burn it.
Did you say Bourbon goes all the way up to this exit?
Yeah, just the highway. Just the highway and that
Oh,
one
okay.
gas station.
Yeah.
And so they can get money.
They can fleet.
Boy, they won't be giving no tickets out right now to speeders with you flying over the highway. I was with them one time and they flew backwards. That's rough.
I can't imagine.
The dollar store is up there by that other, before you get to that water tower at that intersection.
Yeah, the steadier you can hold that camera, the better off you're going to be, because it'll amplify any movement.
Dollar General's right over there, next to the, right beside the water tower.
Is that it with the brown roof?
Yeah.
No, not the brown roof, the silver roof.
Oh, okay. The flat one.
Yeah.
And there's Larry's place.
Larry's place.
For Bourbon?
Yeah, that's a park. The Leonard A. Armstrong Memorial Park. Industrial park right there. Yeah.
Where's the industrial park?
Right off to our left here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, anything you want to do, tell me.
No, that's it. Then Steven's gonna be ready to take you for an hour.
Where's he going?
All over, just right, flying. Well, take us back home then, Frank.
Okay.
Like an oil slick in that one over there. There's the park.
How fast did you fly up here, Frank?
I just 120.
120, okay.
I'll fly over the Dollar General.
Yeah,
Circles.
yeah. We got crowd circles.
Oh, where are they voting at now? That was...
No, that's over here at the school, Larry.
Okay, yeah, Bob's still sitting out there probably.
I think so.
Yeah, he'll sit there all day.
Yeah, he's going to be before, I think.
What, that big flat building near the school?
Yeah,
Oh, there.
there's the school.
I think she's the one that works at the video place. Doesn't she own the video store in town?
Sarah?
I think she does. And she has to work there to pay her bills at her other store.
Yeah, she was really nice. She's special.
Where they're voting here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're voting. There's Bob sitting out there in a red pickup.
Yeah.
This is junior high?
Yeah, this is where the voting's going on right now.
Anybody got an egg? We could have had a bunch of flyers we could throw out.
I should have brought them.
which way are you landing now? You coming in?
Same way I did.
Okay. Good. It's excellent for takeoff, but yeah, a little poor for landing there.
Nah, we're good.
Oh, man.
Larry's Emporium.
Uh-oh, they're not going to give no speeding tickets now with Frank hovering over the highway. Now, don't land on the highway now, Frank.